Okay, so I had a question on how to download the template, save the template, and then re-upload it in order to submit the assignment. So I'm going to show you in this video, quick tutorial. If you click on, this could be any activity at all. I'm just using this one from last week, but it could be anything at all. So schedule a template. Let's click on it to get the template to come up. And the very first thing you need to do is save it. So File, Save As, and we are going to just name it Schedule, and then click Desktop. So that's where you're going to find it, where it's on my desktop. So now I can save it. Once I do that, I can manipulate this and start working on it. So let's say I wake up at 5 a.m. and take a shower. This is just an example, guys, nothing that you need to do exact. And then File, Save, because I just worked on it, right? So we have to save it. So the first time is a save as, that's where you're going to name it for the first time, and you're going to save it to your desktop. After you work on the file, then you click just save. That means it'll save any changes that you just made. So now I'm going to X out of that because I'm all done with it, and now I need to know, how do I submit it? So if I go Start Assignment and click here, you'll see down below it'll say File Upload. So if I hit Upload, hit Choose File, and we know that I put it on my desktop, so let's go to Desktop, and I named it Schedule. So here it is right here, Schedule. If I double click it, it will attach itself, and then I will hit Submit. Okay, and that's over here is your confirmation that it was submitted. So that's how you upload your assignment. All right, I hope that helps.